Welcome to CreditRepairHelp247.com. You might have stumbled across this website or came here because your credit's not up to par and you're needing to fix your credit. You might trying to get that car that you want, the house that you want, or even trying to get secured credit cards, and you can't because you have negative items that are affecting your credit. Now, the federal law loophole that removes all negative counts every time is the 609 clause of the Fair Reporting Act. Now, what does this mean? The Fair Reporting Act, Section 609, does not care whether the account is valid or not. It doesn't matter. See, these letters dispute the credit reporting agency's right to report the account. See, the credit bureaus have to have the original documents that you signed from that trade line. Give you an example. Let's just say that you signed, you went to AT&T and they ran your credit and you got a phone to them and they started running your accounts every month. It shows your either your positive or negative pay. All right. Well, whenever you dispute this through the credit bureaus, they have to have in their file the original documents that you signed to get this trade line, to get the phone through AT&T as this example. The credit reporting agencies do not have this document. And they have 30 days from the letter that we send out to them to respond with this. And if they don't, they have to take it off your credit report. And if they don't, you can take them to court. You can sue and win. And let me tell you, it don't have to get to that point because these letters scare them enough to take them off. Now, you might go through 1 round, 2 rounds, or 3 rounds, but they will come off. They have to show you proof of validation, and they will not be able to. This is a do-it-yourself personal credit repair kit. Now, you might also be in check systems. This is another thing that we offer. Check systems, you might not be able to get a bank account through a bank because maybe you owe the bank something and they suspended your account. And you're in check systems and you can't go out there and open up another checking account. Well, check systems has to do the same thing by the Fair Reporting Act. And we have another letter just specific for this. Now, if you go to checksystems.com, just fill in the blanks and your name, address, stuff, and they'll send you your check systems, and you can see what banks are reporting negatively on check systems, and then we got letters to dispute this. Now, it's best to wait 90 days after the account goes on the check systems because it's much easier that way. It's usually 90 days they destroy the information. Dispute letters are included in this. It doesn't matter if you have student loans. There's an ebook there and letters for that. Bankruptcies. If your bankruptcy is 2 years or older, very, very high chance we can get that off. Tax liens, charge-offs, repossessions, medical bills. Now, this is about medical bills. Now, I had 15 medical bills. I broke both legs, both ankles, and I could not pay the medical bills. All right. So what I did is I used the HIPAA law, and we have 4 letters for this HIPAA law. Well, when we send the first letter, we want them to validate this, and like I said, about 90% of the time they cannot validate this, and if they do, we got them hook, line, and sinker. Why? Because they send something with your signature on it from your medical records. That's a HIPAA law violation. And it'll be taken off immediately. And if not, you can sue them and win $1,000. Now, what we do is we get a notary, and we notarize these letters when we send them out. That way, we keep, or you keep, a paper trail. So the credit bureaus, the credit agencies, cannot say that they have not received anything from you. We want to take this serious. Your credit, bad credit, can cost you hundreds and even thousands of dollars. And plus, we all want good credit. That way, we can get those loans that we need. Maybe business loan or something. Maybe we want to start a business. We want that car. We want that home for our family. This kit right here will help you do that. We also show you how to get started at the purchase, where to get your credit report, free credit report from all 3 credit agencies. And that way you can see if anything's affecting your score, affecting your credit or not. We can remove all negative accounts, including bankruptcy, medical collections, in 7 days using this rapid, fast rescore plan that we have. And it's all in the packages below. Okay, now to get started, you can get started with the one-time fees. Any packages are one-time fees. Then we got a $15 package, a $27 package, and a $49 advance package, and that comes with everything. So depending on where you fit in, that's where you might want to get in at. Maybe you just have a couple things on your credit, or maybe you have a lot of stuff on there. Normal time to clean up your credit for maybe about 10 credit, 5 to 10 negative items. I'd say a good 4 to about 4 months, maybe a little longer. 15 to and more, good 6 months to clean your credit up. That way nothing's on there. And then plus we also offer other stuff too, trade lines to put onto your credit. You can just message me for that information, and that way it'll report. We have trade lines that report positive credit and help boost your scores. But right here is the packages. Pick one and send me your feedback. Send me your testimonials, and I'll be glad to put you on our testimonial page. All right, guys.